Good morning, hello everyone. Today is Tuesday. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make smoothie for body and health. So just make a good smoothie, just taking care of our body, make the skin beautiful, and vitamin C also, all kind of fruit and plus collagens. So let's go start it, guys. Okay, guys, my ingredient is of course I put a pea, just a little bit vegetable. It's okay. I love them eat raw. And cranberry is helping you not to, you better what they call, go to pee all the time. So this is helping you like not infection, just stay cool. And this one right here, blueberry and red berry. And this one right here, strawberry and wildberry. You put whatever you got. So I got so much fruit because I'm a queen smoothie, that's why. And this peach, put anything you have, even 2-3 fruit, that's fine, but I got more, I put more. And the last one is mango, guys. Okay, this is all the fruit I have in my home because I am smoothie queen. Because reason why I do this, I have a lot of anything because I had business bubble tea truck. When I had bubble tea truck, I do smoothie, I do healthy smoothie, I do fun smoothie, I do all kind, whatever customer want. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do very easy. You can have just only 1, 2, 3, doesn't matter. You don't have a lot like me. You can just go ahead, just whatever you got, even 2 kind of fruit, it's all good. And now I'm gonna show you how to stay young, guys. Stay young. Okay, there, collagens, guys. Collagen, this collagen right here, when you make a smoothie, you put in there about 1 scoop collagen right here. It make you stay young forever, trust me. Even you turn, nobody can tell how old are you. Okay, right here. So I'm gonna go ahead start it because, and I use water. I don't want no sugar because the fruit right here, the natural sugar. So don't need to put no sugar, nothing. If you want sugar, don't need sugar. If you want just something little bit sweet, you can add orange juice or cranberry. Today I don't have it. I'm gonna go ahead put water. So my blender right here, just go start it, guys. Trust me, I have all kind of alcohol, but I'm not gonna put alcohol because this is just for show. It's at Costco. It's so cheap, so I bought this. Just put in the house in case have friend coming by, so I can just have cocktail party. Okay, let's go start it. First, I'm gonna go ahead put cranberry. Second, I'm gonna put red berry, blackberry. Okay, the second. The third, this is wildberry and strawberry. Everything going down. Okay, 4 peas. If you have vegetable, I have vegetable, you always add. It's gonna be better. That's pea. Okay. Number 5, peach. This is frozen peach. You can go anywhere. I don't know if anywhere. I bought from Restaurant Depot guy. Restaurant Depot we do for business. So this is number 6, mango. Mango, so much. Everything vitamin C. All you need to do is just vitamin C, just like that. Okay, one scoop collagen. The collagen right here make you stay young. You trust me. If you take this every day, your life. They don't know how old are you. They look at you like, depend how old are you right now. Okay, they look at you at just my age. They look at me like, oh, how old are you? When I tell them the age, they just, oh, I thought you only 40. Okay, thanks. Here, go 1 scoop. Okay. Stay young forever, guys. Stay young forever. Who don't like stay young forever, right? And this plain water. So just going like that. That's it. Ready to blend it. Okay. Turn on the engine. All right. Let the magic work for you. Hit it. Okay, ready to drink, guys. This is morning drink. If you have take in the morning, that day even better. Okay, ready to serve. This is what I do in my business right now. Pandemic, so I'm stay home. How good does it look? So smooth, guys. This is gonna be two time. One in the morning, one for afternoon. So that's how you want to drink your smoothie and to get the benefits looking good, benefits to your skin and stay young. Trust me, you can do it with no time in your own home and healthy and good quality. Don't go out and buy because they don't do good smoothie. They put sugar and they put milk, put cream on it. No way you make a healthy smoothie. You don't put no sugar in there. This is the way how you do it. Okay, guys, so easy. I'm gonna show you, share with you good stuff. Stay young and healthy. Look at this. Okay, this if I say right here, believe me or not, guys, $6. Okay, but now I just want to show you how to do good smoothie and take care of your skin. Stay young forever. Okay, stay young forever. Who don't like stay young forever, right? I use big straw because I sell bubble tea. If you want to know, Google it. Bubble tea, this is one. Okay, bubble tea, this one. Google it. Okay. Now I take a break. I don't care. I take a break. I don't even want to do nothing right now because pandemic. This big straw right here. Pour that in. Oh yes. Look at this. How good is that look? Healthy smoothie, stay young forever. Cheers, guys. For your body and health and stay young forever. Make with no time. Very easy. สบายดีทุกคน อันนี้เป็นสมูทตี้เฮ็ดให้เฮานุ่มลงแล้วก็บ่เฒ่าเด้อวิธีข้อยเฮ็ดแล้วก็ตามมาเบิ่งแล้วก็ thumbs up อย่าลืม thumbs up พี่น้องเพราะว่า this is very special drink. Cheers. So good. That's your fruit. If you eat by themselves, you cannot eat too much. And you have to make smoothies so you can eat everything in one just like that. And this is so good. On the way to go anywhere, you make this, or you make one time just the way I do. You can make drink in the morning or afternoon. Put in the refrigerator and stay all day good. Cheers. ยกขอบใจทุกคนที่ตามมาเบิ่งขอบใจหลายๆอย่าลืมกดไลค์ subscribe. Thank you for watching and I see you guys next video. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will show you more and more, guys. Thank you so much. I see you next video. Thank you. ขอบใจสบายดี